Guys, welcome to my new YouTube channel, The Neighborhood YouTuber, and today we are going to be talking about saving money, how to get money, and where do you put your money. First thing, I'm going to be talking about where I put my money. My sisters love pickles, so they just finished off this big 128-ounce pickle jar, and as you can tell, I already have some money in here to start off with, and I just think this jar will help me keep track of how much money I save, and I'm not going to spend any of it. And I'm going to do weekly updates on how much this jar fills up every week. My posting schedule is going to be every Sunday, once a week until I probably get bigger, and then I'll make more videos. But until then, once a week on Sunday. And the type of videos I make POVs, I make vlogs, I talk. I do really whatever. And today we're talking about money. So I am broke. I really have no money, so I'm doing this because I need money. And a job I'm going to do this winter is I'm going to shovel driveways. And my friends have told me you can make from $50 to $300 a year from shoveling driveways. And then during the summer, I think I'm going to mow lawns because I just think that sounds like a good job. And so yeah, like I said, I have money to start off with. I'm just going to be collecting money, do certain weird jobs, whatever. And yeah, if you have any jobs for me, comment down below what videos you want me to make and what jobs I could do during the winter or summer, because this is going to be a lifelong commitment for this YouTube channel. I'm going to make weekly update videos just to make a little clip of it in each video, see how much it's gone up. And that's my tips. Like I said, my schedule is going to be Sunday. I'm starting this YouTube channel because it's Corona and I have nothing to do. And I just thought it would be fun. Give me something to do, make videos, make y'all happy. And I have videos like this in my TikTok, which will also be in the description. So go check that out. And if you've liked this video so far, make sure to like and follow. And maybe share to your friends, whatever you want to do. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and bye.